Hi folks, the other episode I talked about the fact that the true shape of a section of a truncated hexagonal prism, we drew something like that. So I had something like this down, the plan and then the front elevation, right? Now in this video what we're doing is we're basically dealing with the end elevation of the frustum of a hexagonal prism. So basically this end elevation, it means when you project the hexagonal prism, how does it look from the side? So this is how it looks. So before I talk about how I drew it, let me draw the formula. This is actually a hexagon, so this side should be thick lines. So basically all you need to do is you draw a 45-degree line and then you project all your horizontal distances on the plan to the left. So then you project them upwards too. So also you go to you project the edges of your plan to the front elevation. Then you now project where they touch the truncation, you project them to the left. So when these downward lines intersect with when the vertical lines from the plan intersect with the horizontal lines from the elevation, you just need to name all those. For example, this A, it is gotten from this one. So that means you must know that your A will be at the midpoint. So it is either the top or the bottom. So the reason why the A is the top is because when you project A upwards to the front elevation, you will see that this is the level. So this is where it will be. But if you project this is the level. So that is why they are both on the same horizontal side. They are not on the same vertical intersection. So this is basically how you get your end elevation. And for those of you that don't understand how this is done, I will still explain something like it in the next episode. But I need to add that actually I was supposed to show the whole procedure for this because I drew it, but unfortunately my camera was not on recording mode, so that is why I couldn't explain how the whole process was. So thanks for watching.